Hi, my name is Nathan Tran and here's my Proj0 extra credit. So for the extra credit, I implemented the rocket ship class. This class extends the body extreme class and implements prior physics modules that we've used throughout the project. The features I included were the anti-gravity toggle, the stall toggle, directional controls, and a rocket graphic with a directional rotation. So for the directional controls, it utilizes a thrust variable from rocket ship and accounts for the thrust force in the revised update method. It is controlled via the arrow keys on your keyboard and through the is key pressed method from the std draw. And that method takes in a key code parameter, and I used key event.vk left, key event.vk right, or up or down, based on whichever direction I was trying to detect and account for. And the rocket ship graphics orientation changes based on the direction of thrust with the updated draw method within the rocket ship class. The stall toggle feature turns off directional control. It is toggled via the spacebar key in the same way that the directional controls are handled, and it is handled through a public static boolean in the rocket ship class, since there's only going to be one rocket ship object, and this is accounted for in the revised update method in the rocket ship class. Similarly, the anti-gravity toggle turns off gravity from all other bodies and sets velocity to 0. It is toggled via the backspace key and is handled through the public static boolean in the rocket ship class and accounted for in the revised update method in the rocket ship class. This is the same as how the stall toggle is handled. So now let's see a demo. As you can see here, the rocket ship is just orbiting with other planets right now because I have not initiated any directional control. Once I start initiating directional control, right as I am right now, you will see the direction of the rocket ship change in the direction of the thrust, and also the path of the orbit changes because of the thrust. And you can see the rocket ship just change direction based on the thrust. Now if I were to hit backspace and toggle anti-gravity, now it just moves in the direction of the thrust, and it gradually speeds up because of the thrust, since the thrust is handled as a force. Now it just went off screen, but I'm going to bring it back on screen. And then see, it shows that none of the other bodies exert gravitational force in the rocket ship. And yeah, it just moves in the direction of the thrust and speeds up in whatever direction the thrust is, or slows down. Thank you.